Elevate your audio and lighting setups to the next level with JND 3-pin XLR female to 5-pin XLR male audio cable. Now available in a practical 2-pack, perfectly suited for both audio professionals and lighting enthusiasts. Each cable in this 2-pack features precision molded XLR connectors that ensure a secure, dependable connection. The unique 3-pin female to 5-pin male configuration accommodates the needs of modern audio and lighting setups, facilitating seamless integration between microphones, mixers, interfaces, controllers, and DMX lighting fixtures. Crafted from high quality materials, these cables deliver excellent signal integrity and noise rejection for audio signals. The internal wiring ensures minimal interference, preserving the clarity and richness of your sound. Additionally, the robust construction ensures reliable DMX communication for your lighting systems, making them perfect for controlling sophisticated lighting setups in clubs, theaters, and concert venues.